Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to explain how to solve the following question. In this question we know the price of good X, we know the price of good Y, and we want to find the slope of the budget line. Now I understand that many of you would take this as a math question and come up with the answer right away. Well, you can do that for the online homework assignment, but if this is an exam, you need to write down the entire process, because that's what I'm looking for. I want to see that you are able to demonstrate the solution to other people. Okay, let's go back to our question and see how we're going to solve for this. Remember that when we are calculating the slope of a budget line, usually we use this approach. We calculate the maximum amount of good X that the consumer can buy and the maximum amount of good X that the consumer can buy. These two numbers are the intercepts on the horizontal axis and the vertical axis. Then we use the formula rise over run to calculate the slope of the budget line. An important thing that you should keep in mind is that during this whole process, we should use economic terms. Okay. All right. Let's calculate the intercept on the horizontal axis. If the consumer spends all his income, how much can he buy? Well, first of all, we should assume his income is M. Okay, we don't have an exact number, but that doesn't matter because this information is not relevant to the answer. So if the consumer spends all her income on good X, the maximum amount that she can afford is X max equal to M over 6 units. M is her income, 6 is the price of good X. Now, on the graph, that's this point, okay? So from 0 to this point, that's the maximum amount of good X that she can afford. See, we have an economic definition for this number. It's not a meaningless math term. Now let's do that for good Y. If she spends all her income M on good Y, she can buy at most M over 19 units of good Y. And if we put it on the graph, it's here. From 0 to this point, that's Y max. Okay, again, we have an economic explanation for this number. Now we're going to calculate the slope of this budget line. It's equal to rise over run. Okay, that's rise, that's run. Okay, now let's take that denominator, flip it, put it here, and then now we get the answer. That's 0.32. Okay, that's all for this question.